Let's fix voice to text if it's missing or not working on your iPhone. Now, if you open up messages here and you don't see that little microphone at the very bottom right, to switch from voice to text and to dictate, I'm going to show you a few different places to look to make sure you get that and turn it on. So let's hop out here and go into our settings. Now on here, we will tap on screen time. And if you have screen time turned on, there's potential that screen time is limiting your ability to dictate. So let's tap on content and privacy restrictions and then allowed apps. Now you're gonna have to enter in your screen time password, but you can see here Siri and dictation is turned off. So I'll toggle that on to allow that dictation in messages. Now I'll go back and go back again and go back again, and we'll tap on general here and then keyboard midway down. Now if I scroll to the bottom here, you can see dictation, enable dictation is turned off. So I will turn that on and hit enable dictation. So by doing so, it should or would add that microphone onto my messages. Let's see if it did that. Let's hop out of here and go into messages. You can see at the bottom right, there's that little microphone icon. I can tap on that, and that should dictate or switch from speech to text. And then I can always just turn that off and send that and do whatever I want. Now, if it's still missing, if it's still not there, there are a few other steps that you can do. Let's hop out of here and go into settings, and we'll go back and back again. Now on here, we want to scroll down until we get to Siri and search. And at the very top, it says, listen for Hey Siri. We want to make sure Siri is turned on because ultimately that voice to text is powered through Siri. So let's turn that on and hit enable Siri here. Continue and Hey Siri. Go through the steps to basically enable this. I'm just not going to go through those steps, but turn that on, enable Hey Siri on your phone. And then if you go out of here and you open up your messages and it's still not there or it's still not working, you might want to just test out the microphone on your phone. Maybe it's just not working or has any kind of bugs. So what we'll do is we'll just find the voice memo app. So I'm going to type in voice memos on my app library, and I'm just going to hit record here. And you can see now it is recording my voice. Pause that, check and play it back, see if that works, see if it sounds good and everything is working as normal. If that's working as normal, the last thing you can do is you can always do a software update, check to see if there's any software update. Potentially that fixes any kind of bugs, or potentially you just need to go into the Apple Store and have them run some diagnostics and figure out why that speech to text is not working. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.